You want to relax the belly. She wants to breathe a little bit. Huggy. Very relaxed. And lot of purring going on. Purr, purr, purr. Look at this beautiful cat. Look at her beautiful, cute face. She was a stray. Now she is little healthy because I am feeding her good food. And every night she will come at my door and do meow, 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 meow. Hey kitty. Today she was mewing, but I was not there. But then she was waiting for me. She waited for me for hours, like 2-3 hours. Probably she waited for me because I was sleeping. Can you believe?